Join me as I dive deep into the mysteries of ARP 147 and attempt to visualize a galactic collision using only X-ray vision. ARP 147 is a fascinating cosmic collision that has been captivating astronomers for decades. This incredible event is a perfect example of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe, offering valuable insights into the complex interactions between galaxies. Observing and understanding these galactic collisions is no easy feat. Astronomers face significant challenges when trying to study these events, as they involve massive scales, complex dynamics, and a multitude of factors that affect the outcome. One of the biggest hurdles is the difficulty in resolving the details of these collisions, which often occur at vast distances from us. Additionally, the effects of galaxy interactions can be subtle and take billions of years to unfold, making it hard to pinpoint the exact consequences of these events. Another challenge is the complexity of the physical processes involved in galactic collisions. The interactions between galaxies trigger a multitude of phenomena, including the formation of new stars, the redistribution of gas and dust, and the alteration of galaxy structures. These processes are difficult to model and simulate, as they depend on a delicate interplay of factors such as gravity, gas dynamics, and magnetic fields. Furthermore, the observation of galactic collisions is often limited by the capabilities of our telescopes and instruments. Even with the most advanced technology, it's hard to gather high-resolution data on these events, especially in the early stages of the collision. This is because the signals we receive from these events are often weak and diffuse, making it challenging to separate them from the background noise. Despite these challenges, astronomers have developed innovative methods to study galactic collisions, including ARP 147. By combining observations from multiple wavelengths, such as X-rays, optical, and radio frequencies, researchers can piece together a more comprehensive picture of these events. ARP 147 is a perfect example of a galactic collision in progress. This system consists of two galaxies, NGC 5427 and NGC 5426, which are in the process of merging. The X-ray observations of ARP 147 have revealed a wealth of information about this system, including the presence of a massive black hole at the center of one of the galaxies. This black hole is actively accreting material, which is heating up the surrounding gas and dust, making it visible in X-rays. The X-ray data also show that the galaxies involved in ARP 147 are experiencing intense star formation activity. This is likely triggered by the compression of gas and dust during the collision, which leads to the formation of new stars. The X-ray observations have also revealed the presence of hot, diffuse gas that permeates the entire system, which is a signature of the galaxy interaction. The X-ray vision of ARP 147 has opened up new avenues for understanding the complex physics of galactic collisions. By analyzing the X-ray emission from this system, researchers can infer the physical processes that are taking place, such as the injection of energy from supernovae and the feedback from the active galactic nucleus. This, in turn, can help us better understand the broader implications of galactic evolution and interaction. One of the most significant discoveries made from the X-ray data is the presence of a massive outflow of gas from the center of one of the galaxies. This outflow is thought to be triggered by the active galactic nucleus, which is expelling material into the intergalactic medium. This process has significant implications for our understanding of galaxy evolution, as it can affect the chemical composition of the surrounding environment and influence the formation of new stars. The X-ray vision of ARP 147 has also provided insights into the role of supermassive black holes in shaping the fate of galaxies. By studying the activity of these black holes, researchers can better understand how they influence the growth and evolution of galaxies over cosmic time. In conclusion, ARP 147 is an incredible example of the complex and dynamic nature of galactic interactions. By studying this system in X-ray vision, researchers have gained valuable insights into the physical processes that shape the evolution of galaxies. These findings have far-reaching implications for our understanding of the universe as a whole. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the mysteries of ARP 147. If you have any thoughts or questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to explore more astronomical wonders, be sure to check out my other videos on related phenomena.